The Mpow M20 Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Mpow M20 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user manual, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The M20 features 6 hours of listening time, 106 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm chipset 3020, and it has aptX codec and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. It uses touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it also doubles as a power bank, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case is on the larger side due to the 2600 mAh battery, which can be used to charge devices. It has a hard plastic shell with a matte finish all around, and the Mpow branding is on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you have the status LED. On the right side is the micro USB charge port. And on the left side, you have the USB-A port for charging out devices, along with the power bank charge button status. The lid opens and closes smoothly and it stays into place while open. It is on the larger side. Earbuds are secured by magnets and are fairly easy to grip and remove from the case. The ear indicators are also etched inside the case. The earbuds have an ergonomic shape to them and it's plastic all around. The ear indicators are on the inside and the outer face has a logo along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have a microphone, touch control, status LED, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward and it's laid out in the manual. You can also control the volume levels. The case comes in at 3.3 by 2.6 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 105 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love you don't know. So why are you here? Yeah. I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow M20 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. If you want to use the earbuds in mono, it will only work on the right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mpow M20 True Wireless Earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. They were comfortable and easy to put on. No excessive twisting required. It just sat into place and it created a decent seal. Very similar to the Edifier TWS5 or the Earfun Free for fitment. Touch controls are a plus since it doesn't add pressure when navigating. They had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. Touch controls are responsive and they worked with no issues. The case is on the larger side, but as mentioned, this is due to the power bank feature. So you can charge your devices with that 2600 mAh battery. With that battery, it also provides you 106 hours total of listening time for the earbuds. The earbuds don't protrude out as much and the profile is pretty slim once they are seated in your ears. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in very pronounced. It's punchy and deep. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear. It is a bit forward but not too bright. It doesn't get drowned out by the bass. I would describe the overall sound experience as pretty close to the TWS5 or the Earfun Free that I've reviewed in the past. It may just be dialed down a bit with the bass compared to them, but it's still adequate. Overall, these earbuds deliver on the sounds. If you're looking for a pair with long battery life, these will meet that need with its 2600 mAh battery, and it will give you 100 plus hours on the listening time. The case is a bit larger, but that is the trade-off. So that is my review of the Mpow M20 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.